Welcome to this video on deciphering motor nameplates, which hold the essential information for industrial motion equipment. Understanding nameplates is crucial for safety and system engineering. Incorrect readings can lead to improperly sized protection, risking catastrophic failure or fire. The nameplate is the motor's legal identity, or, quote, passport. It contains critical values like the serial number, NEMA IEC design frame, phase count, operating voltage, and current. Motor power is measured in horsepower or kilowatts. Note that the conversion factor is approximately 1 HP equal to 0.746 kilowatts. Input requirements include voltage, frequency, and phase. Applying the wrong voltage or frequency can cause overheating or low torque, and industrial motors are usually three-phase. Full load amps, or FLA, is the rated current the motor draws. This value is critical for setting your thermal overload relay to ensure protection without nuisance tripping. Motor speed is defined by the rated RPM and the theoretical synchronous speed. The difference is called slip, which is necessary to induce current in the rotor. The speed is determined by the pole count. The service factor is a safety buffer, indicating the additional load a motor can handle for short periods. However, continuous operation in this range can significantly reduce installation life. Efficiency classes range from IE1 standard to IE4 super premium, with target efficiencies from approximately 80% to over 94%. The enclosure and environment suitability are defined by IP and NEMA ratings. For instance, IP55 protects against dust and low-pressure water jets. Choosing the wrong enclosure can lead to motor failure. The reading workflow involves 4 steps: verify the voltage and phase, size the wire and breaker using FLA, protect the motor by setting the overload relay, and deploy by confirming the RPM and enclosure match the load.